Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Sign into Google Ads, confirm billing, and link the YouTube video you'll promote. Once done, pick a campaign objective that matches your goal, brand awareness, leads, or conversions, because objective guides bidding and measurement. Next, set primary targets, locations, languages, and basic demographics so your ad reaches relevant viewers. Make sure to set a daily budget you're comfortable with. This lets you start gathering data immediately and avoid overspending while you refine settings. Now configure the core creative and bidding. Choose a video campaign subtype and the ad format that fits your message, skippable for longer stories, bumper for quick hits. Then pick a bidding strategy like max CPV or target CPA, depending on whether you want cheaper views or conversions. Create an ad group, upload your creative, add a strong CTA, and set frequency caps so viewers aren't overexposed. Finally, build audiences and placements. Target custom intent and exclude irrelevant channels to protect. Before launch, double-check targeting, bids, and that conversion tracking is active via GA4 or tags so you can measure results. Once you launch, monitor CPM, CPV, view rate, and conversion metrics daily to catch issues quickly. Make iterative changes. Swap creatives, tweak bids, adjust audiences, and test placements. If performance drops, pause low performers and reallocate budget to winners. Troubleshooting tip: if an ad is disapproved, review policy feedback, shorten or edit content, and resubmit. Policy fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.